Hello everyone, this is Sanjeev welcoming all of you to our channel Stay Motivated. I hope you all are doing fine with good health, with peace of mind. Before we start today's workout, I would like to thank every one of you for watching our channel, for trying our workouts and writing your feedback to us. So thanks for that. Our today's workout is going to be on Muay Thai leg workout. As all of us knows, whether it's a normal person or it's a professional athlete, in our daily life we use our lower body part much more than our upper body part. So it's very important, that's why, to keep our base or keep our lower body like our leg muscles, glutes, hamstrings, calf muscles, joints, knees strong and flexible. Okay, this Muay Thai workout again is of 24 different exercises, but to keep our video short and for easy for our viewers, we have divided it into 3 different sessions with 8 workout in each session. This is going to be a bit challenging, but it's very effective. Okay, and it's not just a mere conditioning workout, so it is going to help you in your footworks. It will improve your kicking skills, it will make you kick faster, as well as it will sharp your blocking techniques. Okay, and if someone is looking for weight loss training, this is the best workout you can try it. Okay, so it's a kind of it's going to be kind of bit on advanced workout. Okay, so then without any further delay, let's start today's first session of Muay Thai leg workout. So the first workout is going to be high kick. Okay, so in high kick you have to keep 2 things in mind. First thing is, don't bend your knee while you are kicking, so that means don't kick like this. Second thing, try to kick from the place where you are stand. Okay, don't go front and back. Okay, so I will do 10 of each leg. Okay, so let's start. Okay, so that was the high kick. So the next workout is going to be sit back. Okay, so while you are doing sit back, again try to sit flat foot. Don't try to sit on your toe. Don't sit on your toe, because you are going to give your full weight on your legs. Okay, so try to stretch as much as possible and sit on your flat foot. So our third workout is going to be high kick with sit back. Okay, so I'll do 10 of each leg again. Okay, so as you can see, you are going one step forward. We started with high kick, then you have done sit back, now I have done high kick with sit back. Now the fourth one, in this we are going to sum up all these four, plus we are going to do push up. So that will be high kick, sit back, sweep kick and push up. Okay, so I will do it in the sideways so that you can get a better view. So you have completed half stage of our first session in leg workout. Okay, so now we'll do for thighs. Okay, so we'll start with half sit up. So when you will do half sit up, the first thing you have to keep in mind is try to put all your weight on your thighs instead in your spine or in your back. Okay, so our sixth workout will be single leg squat. Okay, so that was single leg squat. This is going to really build your thighs strong and conditioning. Mostly in Muay Thai we do it for to block the lower kicks. Okay, so the next workout is going to be blocking. Okay, blocking high kicks, blocking lower kicks, blocking 45-degree kicks. Okay, so this is straight, this is to block straight kick, this is to block 45 kick, and this is to block lower kick. So switch leg again. This leg is to block straight kick, this is to block 45 kick, this is to block lower kick. Again, okay, so now the last workout of today's first session is going to be switch and knee. Okay, so you have to be up on the place. Okay, then you have to do knee. So guys, that's it from us on today's first session of Muay Thai leg workout. We hope you all are going to try these workouts. Let us share your experience, okay, and do watch our channel, and please subscribe and like our channel if you feel it's going to be useful in any way. Okay, so yeah, so stay safe and stay healthy. Thanks once again.